thing. The idea of consulting and Stratagem EduServe started with my wife Nupur. When we thought that, together we can actually start building institutions. So we started with a play school project. Then we expanded into an engineering college, an MBA college, and university, and other areas of thing. So what we do currently is that we help investors or promoters who have land and investments and who are desirous to make an investment in education. We help them to realize the objective.
कंपनी की स्थापना होते ही उन्हें अपनी इस कंपनी का नाम रखने की चिंता सताने लगी। काफी सोच विचार के बाद उन्हें ख्याल आया, क्यों ना ऐसा नाम चुना जाए जो कंपनी के काम से मेल खाता हो। तभी उन्होंने स्ट्रैटेजम एड्यूसर्व नाम का चयन किया।
Stratagem is actually a Greek word. It has a very different connotation. When I realized that we are basically the strategic horsepowers or the strategists for an educational institutions, I couldn't think of a better word than stratagem. If you look at the word stratagem, it means it comes from it's derived from the word strategos, which is supposed to denote the chief strategist of a Greek army. And I think that's what we plan to do. We not only strategize the concept for an education institute, but we also implement them. So we believe that we want to strategize education in such a way that it could serve the nation.
यशवंत एक खुशहाल घर के बेटे हैं, जहां उन्हें अपने पूर्वजों से एंटरप्रेन्योर बनने की काबिलियत विरासत में ही मिली है, या यूं कहें बिजनेस उनके खून में ही शामिल था।
Because right from childhood I have been brought up with the values of a freedom to choose and do something which I want. As an employee under a group, there's always a restriction. You have a set vision and you need to follow the set templates of an organization, which I never wanted to do. I've been a trendsetter from since my childhood, and I wanted to do something novel and different in my own way. It was basically playing your own game, playing your own brain game. To have your own life, and that entrepreneurial spirit gives you everything to achieve in those parameters.
विदेश के सफल जीवन को छोड़ भारत वापस आने पर उन्हें अपनी कंपनी खोलने के लिए लोगों को रिझाना थोड़ा मुश्किल जरूर लगा, लेकिन कहते हैं ना, हिम्मते मर्दा तो मददे खुदा। उन्होंने इस चुनौती को स्वीकारा और उसे रूप दे दिया।
Challenges that we have faced, which with many of these experiences which we keep sharing with us, we still remember those days of convincing a client. Convincing a client is the most difficult job, especially to get them involved. There are many projects which we come across, people who want to do an educational institute. But the key thing which we focus is on education with a service objective. That is somehow has been lacking in many of the promoters we meet. Being an entrepreneur, and especially leaving a comfortable job abroad or in India and starting on your own, being on your own is a really challenging thing. I think, but we're fairly enjoying it. Me and my wife and Thirendra and my colleagues truly love the working at Stratagem, because we know that we're contributing to the youth's future.
स्ट्रैटेजम एड्यूसर्व को शुरू हुए लगभग 2 साल ही हुए हैं, लेकिन इन 2 सालों में उन्होंने अपने 5 साल की कामयाबी का सफर तय कर दिया है। उन्हें यकीन है कि उनके सपने जरूर साकार होंगे।
From 5 years from now, we would like Stratagem to be working across India. Very soon we are going to launch an office in other cities as well. And probably I would like to see Stratagem World Schools and Stratagem Heritage Schools coming up in different parts of India.
कहते हैं इंसान मुकम्मल उसी वक्त होता है जब उसकी नजर हर चीज पर बराबर हो, यानी कारोबार से लेकर उसके अपने शौक तक। हमारे इस स्वदेशी को फुर्सत के समय फिल्म्स देखना, जीवन पर गहरे प्रभाव डालने वाली किताबें पढ़ना और साईं बाबा के विचारों पर चलना काफी पसंद है। इसके अलावा उनके और क्या जुनून है, आइए उन्हीं से जानते हैं।
Passion to me is lighting a lamp and leaving a trail behind. Passion to me is the power of the youth, that I strongly believe that they can do a wonderful job for the country that they live in. Passion to me is about coaching and mentoring the youngsters in such a way that they can bring the 1 billion smiles to the country in which they are working for. Passion to me is working towards a greener and educated India, a society which is free from all the social evils. Passion to me is nurturing the entrepreneurial leadership among the students of my institute. Passion to me is nurturing the social and moral leadership among the students with which I work.
हर इंसान की पहचान उसके जीवन की सोच और कर्म से होती है। यशवंत भी इस बात को अच्छी तरह जानते हैं। वो क्या है और कैसे हैं, ये उनसे बेहतर और कोई नहीं जान सकता।
I think if I have to look into the mirror and ask who's this person on the other side of the reflection is, then I would say that Yashwant Raj Parasmal is a very simple-hearted, common person who believes in doing some extraordinary things for the people. I mean, he's a person who always aspires to be different, to add that extra bit into the ordinary things of life, to do something extraordinary. जो भरा नहीं है भावों से, बहती जिसमें रसधार नहीं, हृदय नहीं वो पत्थर है, जिसके लिए स्वदेश के लिए प्यार नहीं।
विदेश का सफर हर स्वदेशी के लिए सुहाना और तजुर्बों से भरा होता है। इस सफर में हर स्वदेशी अपने अनुभव को भारत की प्रगति में शामिल कर ले तो विदेश की हर चीज भारत में ही अपनों के माध्यम से उपलब्ध हो सकती है।
We start thinking about a practical and a new innovative way which can solve the problems which are unique to India. Swadesh does not mean that we boycott the multinational goods or the products or such things, but we have to Indianize the solutions that is required for the country.
बढ़े न वायु वेग से तो रवानी क्या है, बुझ सके न आग तो पानी क्या है, मुल्क को खतरे में देख जो खून ना खौले, तो उससे बेहतर है बुढ़ापा, जवानी क्या है। ऐसे ही विचार यशवंत आज की नस्ल को भी देना चाहते हैं।
There are 10 two-letter words which have inspired me the most in my life. If it is to be, it is up to be. The message that I would want to share with my young friends is that if you want to succeed in life, that it is totally up to you. How do you take life, how do you respond to the challenges which life throws is something which you will have to decide and you will have to face it. If you can be responsive, if you can really take up the challenges, be responsive, I think you'll be able to achieve much more than what you would have ever thought of. Never strive to take the credit for yourself. If you're not concerned about the credit that you want to achieve, then you will be surprised how long you can travel in your life with your achievements and with your capabilities.
आज के सफल एंटरप्रेन्योर बनने के बाद भी उनके स्वभाव में साधारण जीवन जीने की सोच में कोई बदलाव नहीं आया है। वो जो कल थे आज भी वही है। इस बारे में उनके परिजन और दोस्त क्या कहते हैं, आइए जानते हैं उन्हीं से।
Yashwant is a person who I really admire, not because he is my colleague, because he is so simple. He doesn't show that he has these kind of qualities. If you meet him for the first time, you'll see he's just the person, just a normal person. But when you talk to him, you find out what he is, his knowledge, his insights about the education. One of the finest qualities what he has is perseverance.
Very jovial person and he understands the other person very well. एक इंसान की तरफ से ये बोल सकता हूँ कि he will be there whenever you need him most.
मैंने जो एक्सपेक्ट किया था यशवंत उससे कहीं ज़्यादा अच्छे निकले। He is very very committed. It's fun to be with him. Professionally, personally, वो acknowledge करते हैं, वो relationship को value करते हैं. He knows how to, acknowledge people. वो चीज़ मुझे उनकी बहुत अच्छी लगती है, जो मैं उनसे सीख रही हूँ. And I literally draw my inspiration from him because he is a very very humble person, very down to earth. He is very very subtle and I think he compliments me completely and he is the ground on which I walk.
भारतीयों की विशेषता है कि वो हर हाल में खुश रहते हैं। बड़ी से बड़ी दिक्कत को झेल एक सच्चे भारतीय होते हुए दूसरों की मदद करने का जो साहस उनमें है, उसकी मिसाल मिलना मुश्किल है और यही भारत की ताकत है। यशवंत के लिए यही स्वदेश है।
Lord Kartikeyan went around the world, across the mountains and across the continents on his peacock. But Lord Ganesha just went around his parents 3 times and he said that he won. The moral is that, you need to focus on what is your world and be focused on that. For me, my world is my country, my India, and Swadesh means exactly the same, that what you want to do for your country.
वतन की याद जब पल पल सताने लगे, परदेश में दिन काटे नहीं कटते और बस लौटने का मन करता है सरसों के खेतों में, आम के बगीचों में। स्वदेश के इस सफर में हमने आपको रूबरू करवाया कुछ ऐसे लोगों से जिन्होंने 7 समंदर पार अपनी काबिलियत का लोहा